Hello viewers, I hope you are doing very well. Today I will show you more selection tool like selection brush tool, lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. So let's get started. First of all, I have opened an image and then these all are selection tool. So please see, I am selecting her nose. So I am painting it. Yeah. First of all, you didn't say anything. But when you click another selection tool, you can see that all the selection matching ends are outside of the painting. Okay, this is, we can select this. The benefits of this selection brush tool is, if I used quick selection tool, you can see it's rapidly spreading. But in the selection brush tool, it will select where I doing paint, where I paint or nothing, where I paint. Only this area it will cover. See, this area covered, it not spreading at all. So I hope you find the benefit, you understand the benefits of this tool. Lasso tool is very handy tool. However, here is 4 modes. Lasso tool modes, selection, all the selection tools have 4 modes instead of selection brush tool. Polygonal lasso tool 4 modes. First of all, single, I can select it. First of all, select it. I am using now polygonal lasso tool. Let's see, if I want to add with this selection, then add to selection. Then if I click this will add. If I subtract something, let's see, this eyebrow area I want to subtract. So click and this is subtract. And intersect only where it will intersect, it will exist, this area. Okay, and this is for selection tool. So lasso tool is very handy tool. I am selecting with my hand, free hand mode. But polygonal lasso tool is very handy tool. Polygonal lasso tool is straight tool, where you need to select any straight things, you can consider this. But you should close it, otherwise it will not work. Also, magnetic lasso tool is selected based on contrast. Let's see, I am just running with this selection tool and it is automatically selected the area based on the contrast. So hope you guys you have learned something or understanding something from this video. If so, please like my channel and subscribe my channel so that you can get notified when new videos, this type of new videos published. Thank you very much. Take care.